Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing Smart Game Booster and granting necessary permissions. This lets the tool control processes and drivers. Once installed, close resource-heavy apps like browsers and Cloud Sync to free RAM and CPU. Then open the app and enable Game Mode plus GPU Boost so the program can apply optimizations immediately. Make sure to apply updates and keep drivers current. Doing this now prevents interruptions and allows the booster to control priority and resource. You now configure optimizations tailored to your system. Run the deep scan to detect outdated drivers and heavy apps, because accurate data yields better boosts. Next, tweak FPS and resolution presets and switch to a high-performance power plan to extract consistent frame rates. Once done, create or edit a game profile and set Auto Boost so the tool applies settings when a game launches. This ensures repeatable performance gains and saves you manual tuning every session. You launch the game through Smart Game Booster and watch the FPS overlay to confirm improvements. Transition between settings if you notice stutter or frame drops. If GPU or CPU temperatures climb too high, reduce some boosts or cap FPS to balance thermals and performance. Once satisfied, save the profile so it runs automatically. If problems persist, restore defaults and rerun the scan. If still unresolved, contact support with logs so they can diagnose driver or hardware conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.